Good evening to you, John. We're here at Newark Liberty International Airport at Terminal B at the departures. When you look at the board there, it says very few cancellations and most of the flights are on time. But that could all change in the next 24 hours. How lucky do you feel that your flight is just slightly delayed?
Very lucky.
You're looking at some of the luckiest air travelers who were able to catch a flight before what's expected to be the biggest snowstorm to hit our area in the last 5 years. Nationwide, more than 14,000 flights have been canceled so far, but here at Newark Liberty International, the number for Saturday afternoon stands at 77. Latasha Green has a family emergency and was able to book a seat at the last minute. Where are you headed?
West Palm Beach, Florida.
Mm-hmm. So you're not going into snow?
No, we're not. We're staying away from that.
This three-generation family was able to reschedule their trip to Israel one day earlier before Newark Liberty is crippled by snow.
We're trying to beat the storm. It's going to be very bad tomorrow. We figured out to early flight. We booked the early flight. She booked the early flight at midnight.
Dave Wittenberg has $500 tickets to the AFC Championship game in Denver, and his flight there appears to be on time.
We're going there this weekend, got last-minute tickets, and just ahead of the storm.
And a group from West Palm just flew to New Jersey because the snow changed wedding plans.
We are now going to the wedding tonight. It got moved to 6 o'clock tonight.
And how do you feel about that?
Cold. This is just way different than I'm used to.
Yeah, West Palm Beach has temperatures hovering around 78 degrees. So Alexis is so worried that she brought all the wrong clothes to a wedding on the eve of a snowstorm where everyone has to bundle up so much.